I thought it would be really helpful if I could show you exactly how it works. Now, if you are on a computer, it is the easiest, but you can also do this via Google Chrome on a tablet or a phone. So on Google, all you do is type in Bug Club. You can also go to activelearn.co.uk. So activelearnprimary.co.uk, as you see here. So click on that link. Then your child will have been given their username, password, and school code as part of the letter. Now, their username is the first 4 letters of their first name, the first 4 letters of their surname. That's it, no capital letters. Their password is change me. You can see mine's already got it set on here, but I've set up a sample child. So if we've got the child that I'm talking about, my sample child is Jonathan Bloggs. So the first 4 letters of his first name, John, Bloggs, so B-L-O-G-G, John Blogg, is his username. His password, change me. Because once you've logged in, you should change it, but write it down somewhere or put it somewhere safe. And then the school code XG66. So you see username, password, school code XG66. Make sure you've got them in the right places. Click sign in. And you will come to the child's home screen. I'm not going to save that. You'll see we've got my home. We've got my stuff, which is where we find all my books. My library, which is where you find your saved books. Any you've saved there because you particularly liked. My rewards, which you'll have an explore and have a look through. And then log out. Now, I'm going to go on to my stuff just to show you something with a book. Now, I've got 21 books assigned here. And I'm just going to jump onto this one to show you something that you should do. Now, you click on it, and it opens up, etc., etc., etc. We read it, gives us a little bit of a blurb, and we go on to see. Now, we've got some information about the author, front cover. Now, the thing that I really want to point out, while you're reading it, we come through, we see all of these pages. On some of the pages, you will see these little bugs. Now, it's really, really important that you click on those after you've read the page. So click on it, and it gives you a little question about it. You answer it, follow the instructions. It gives you little bits of information. Then we click on it, we follow the task, and then we do done, and it will tell you whether or not you are correct. Okay. So I hope that helps to start with Bug Club. If you have any questions, just contact the school, or there is also a help function on the Active Learn website. Thank you very much. Happy reading. Bye-bye.